I gotta start the video off like how they do in every Disney Channel. They're like, is the camera ready? Is it set? And we're good. Let me just adjust a little bit. Hey guys, my name is Ashley and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your jeans go from this to this. So if you're interested in learning how to put elastic band inside of your jeans so that your waist isn't, your booty ain't sticking out, all of that, then just keep watching because it's a very easy, simple process and it doesn't take about no time at all. And I just said it's very easy and simple. So like, why are you still skip to the part that we start? Okay, so I'll see you guys there. Okay everybody, so I'm here with the voice recording. So what you need to do is first put 2 holes in just one side of your jeans. And what you're gonna need is a button, some thread, and some scissors. And you're also going to need a needle. I'm using a curved needle. It's probably better for you to use a straight needle. Gosh, I can't speak. So what you wanna do is what I'm doing here with the end of the thread so you can get a knot. This will be the start of threading the actual button to the pants. So it should look something like this. So take the thread and the needle and insert it through one of the holes of the button. And you want to thread through both sides of the jeans and bring it through just like that. Go right back on the same side that it came through and bring it to the other side, putting it in a different hole. So basically what you're doing is as you're threading the needle, you're threading it through a different hole each time. Once you go, just like how it is right here, once you go in a different hole, you bring it on the other side, and then you go through another different hole, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish that up real quick. So as you can see, now you want to tie it off by wrapping it around your hand and pulling the needle through, putting your finger on the button to secure it, and then sliding the thread up. Cut it off, and now we have both buttons on. So next what you're going to need is an elastic band that can fit through the waistline of your pants and either a bobby pin or a little, one of those clip thingies called, I forgot what they're called, but a safety pin. So now I'm just gonna put my bobby pin through a hole that I made inside of the elastic band. And this is the part that's like kind of annoying, but like not that bad because it doesn't take that long, but it's also like, it's okay. So obviously my holes were a little too tiny. So I had to go back in and stretch them out so I can squeeze it through. And then I pushed it in and it finally went in. It took me forever, but it finally went through. And after that, it was smooth sailing kinda. And I just went all the way in and did that. Okay, so once I got to the end, I had to pull the little guy out, but of course, like I told y'all, the hole was too small. I felt like I was helping somebody give birth, so I had to help open up the hole just a little bit wider so I could be able to pull the elastic through. And there she is. Whew, why am I like that? Anyways, let's continue. So what you want to do is, like I said, pull out the little bobby pin. And next you're going to want to measure off a piece of elastic band. I'm going to tell you what I did wrong here in just a second. You want to measure that off, and then later on you're going to want to cut it and make a hole so that it would fit for the button. Obviously, do that on both sides, please. Okay, y'all, open your eyes because this is where I messed up. Okay, look, on the left side, as you can see, there's a space, and on the right side, there's a space. That is because I did not have enough elastic band to be able to stretch far enough for me to be able to not have these weird little like divots. But other than that, they came out very nice. So this is the after. I like them a lot. I promise you, if you do this and you actually create enough space for your little elastic band to connect to the button, you probably won't have as much crinkling as I did, but it didn't really bother me. I'm gonna have to retry it, but yeah, I think they came out peachy keen. Peachy keen! Y'all see how easy that was? Okay, y'all, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to, what as everybody says, I don't even have to say it because I know y'all who watch YouTube understand what it is. Like, comment, and subscribe. Do all of that. Join the club, join the gang, because we're taking off from here. So if that tutorial helps at all, even a little bit, even if you got an idea, go ahead and try it. It helped me. I'm about to do it to all of my new jeans that I just bought. And yeah, so I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.